looking at David weekly week look. Today is Saturday 27th of January. Market obviously closed. We're looking at the May contract old crop firstly, and we've got that daily bar chart in front of us. We can see we've identified a swing low here, 140. We were watching a range here around this level, a high of 143, low of 40. We broke that last week. Looking for confirmation of that break, we had a close below it, and now we've held below for 3 days. We closed 138.50. We are obviously oversold. Looking at the stochastic, we could see a bounce back up to 140. We are in a confirmed downtrend. We are below the 60 SMA. I've been bearish on this old crop. We were watching for a break. We've seen that. I can see further downside. I think that's looking like it's all over on the old crop. Let's pop forward and have a look at the new crop. This is the yearly chart. We can identify the 60 SMA on here. We can see 140.25. We closed November contract. We can see that's still above the monthly SMA 60, going sideways within this range here at the present moment. Excuse me. Let's pop down into the monthly. We can see here we've got this small red candle here, 140.25. We can see that's testing the lows of last month. Let's pop down into the weekly. We can identify this big red candle here that's below the weekly SMA 60. We can cast our eye back and see that yes, we've had this range here. We've got a downwards trend, but we're not breaking away, similar to what we can see on the old crop. Let's pop down into the daily. We can identify this swing low on the November contract, 140. We can see this big red candle here at the beginning of the week, breaking below 142, came down and tested this 140, did briefly close below it, but quickly gone above it on Thursday, closed on Friday 140.25. So we're not seeing the same confirmation of the break of the old crop. The new crop is certainly holding at the present moment. We can also see on the stochastic here we are heavily oversold, and we're getting a slight divergence. We're getting a bounce here coming up. So my feel would be that old crop, yes, we've seen the break, got confirmation, yes, we can see lower. At the moment, doesn't look the same on the new crop, though we are tentatively hovering above a swing low. We have not seen this break at the moment. If we did get confirmation, say middle of the week, below the 140 level, then we probably could see further downside following up with the old crop. But at the moment it is holding, and let's look for an update this time next week. Thanks for watching.